It is with profound joy and gratitude that I take this opportunity to inform the nation of His Excellency Xi Jinping, President of the People's Republic of China's magnanimous decision to donate 10 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines to Zimbabwe. The assistance comprising 4 million Sinopharm doses and 6 million Sinovac doses is in addition to the 2 million doses Zimbabwe has received as donation since February 2021 from the People's Republic of China. Government applauds China's strong support and commitment to ensuring the availability of affordable and effective vaccines, not only to our country, Zimbabwe, and the African continent, but to the entire global community. This is highly commendable and represents compassionate leadership, absolute regard for human life, dignity, and safety, as well as exemplary global solidarity in the face of the unprecedented health challenges of our time wrought by the COVID-19 pandemic. Without any delay, His Excellency Xi Jinping has moved swiftly, implementing his landmark pledge at the November 2021 Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, FOCAC, ministerial meeting in Senegal to provide 1 billion COVID-19 vaccines to Africa. For us in Zimbabwe, this huge and a timely gesture of support comes at a critical phase in our fight against the highly infectious Omicron variant, which threatens to erode our impressive gains in the fight against COVID-19 and our strides towards achieving national herd immunity. We in Zimbabwe, therefore, cherish this continued Chinese support in the fight against the global COVID-19 pandemic, which includes the Chinese grant amounting to US dollars 20 million for the construction of the nut farm warehouse, the deployment of Chinese medical team of specialists to Zimbabwe, and the constant supply of diagnostic reagents, thermometers, and consumables, such as latex gloves, among other essential personal protective equipment, PPEs. In this regard, I call upon the entire nation of Zimbabwe to join me in expressing our deepest gratitude to the People's Republic of China for standing with us through concrete actions and sustained provision of supplies that have significantly boosted our effort in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, we have registered commendable and globally acclaimed progress towards achieving herd immunity. It is therefore incumbent upon us all as responsible citizens to fully embrace government's vaccination program in order to have all people immunized and protected against the scourge. The donation of COVID-19 vaccines and the overall excellent bilateral relations between Zimbabwe and the People's Republic of China should be viewed in the context of the ongoing implementation of various Chinese-funded priority ventures, which include the Wange 7 and 8 thermal power expansion project, the upgrading and expansion of the Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport, the Net1 Highway broadband expansion project, phase 3 of the new Parliament building, the National Pharmaceutical Warehouse, NatFarm, the High Performance Computer Phase 2, and the Kariba South Hydro Power Expansion Project. As you are aware, the implementation of these priority projects is progressing well in spite of the delays occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic. All these projects bear testimony to the strong bonds of friendship and cooperation that Zimbabwe and China have nurtured since the struggle for Zimbabwe's independence. As we broaden and deepen these relations, we are cognizant of the scope and the huge potential for mutual benefit, growth and development in key areas in which Chinese investments and support would be quite instrumental in stimulating Zimbabwe's efforts to achieve Vision 2030 of an upper middle income economy. Intervention can take but may not be limited to support in the production or financing of several projects such as the manufacture and distribution of COVID-19 vaccines, skills and technology development, and access to Chinese market of Zimbabwe's agricultural products, including citrus and horticulture, as well as funding Zimbabwe's Go Green commitments. I wish to conclude by assuring the nation that the Second Republic will continue to pursue and strengthen collaborative engagements and re-engagements that optimize on the opportunities for growth, resilience, and sustainable economic development. And by being friend to all nations and peoples and enemy to none, I thank you.